Hello, today we will guide you through how to link Google Business Profile to Google Ads. To begin, open your browser and go to the Google Ads login page. This is the starting point for accessing the account where you want to connect your business profile. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure you're using the one that has access to both Google Ads and the Google Business Profile you want to link. That will help avoid confusion later in the process. Once you're on the sign-in page, click Sign in to Google Ads and log into your account. Take a moment here to confirm you've entered the correct account, especially if your browser automatically switches between profiles. Using the correct login is important because the link can only be created if the account has the right permissions. After signing in, click Start Now to enter the Google Ads workspace. This will bring you into the main dashboard where you can access settings, tools, and linked products. Depending on your account layout, the screen may look slightly different, but the overall process remains the same. Next, look to the menu on the left side and click Tools. From there, select Data Manager. This section is where Google Ads lets you connect and organize data sources and business-related products. It's the place you'll use to manage integrations like Google Business Profile. Inside Data Manager, find Google Business Profile and click it. In some accounts, it may appear in a Featured Products section. If it looks like it has already been added, don't worry. The procedure is still similar, and selecting it will take you to the connection area. This is where you can review the current status or continue linking the profile. From here, follow the on-screen procedure. Google will guide you through the prompts needed to complete the connection. This may include selecting the correct business profile, confirming access, or approving the link between your business listing and your ads account. Read each screen carefully so you connect the right location, especially if you manage more than one business listing. Once the setup is complete, you'll be able to manage and view location assets. These assets help your ads display business location information, which can improve visibility and make it easier for customers to find or contact your business. After linking, it's a good idea to review the connected locations and confirm everything appears correctly. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of linking your Google Business Profile to Google Ads.